Okay, let's try adding a little bit of a gutter to catch the water that's going to run off our glass roof. So I'm going to go to the front view of our awning file. And over here, I'm going to create an extrusion. So I'm going to go to Create, Extrusion. We're going to give it that rib material color right away. And I'm just going to use the line tool and just draw something quickly. Just to kind of, I don't have this on chained, so it won't draw continuously, which is fine. Now I want that to have a thickness to it, so I'll just come over, let's say 1/4 inch, and come down, and I'm just going to approximate here. And close this off, and we'll complete that. And it made that extrusion 1/2 inch. I'm going to just change this to 10 inches so we can see it better. We still need to change its size. We'll go to the view 1. You can see that extrusion over there. And so we'll just rotate it till we're at the top. And I don't want it to stick past the ribs because I want that last rib to look independent. So I'll pull this down. That's actually the back rib, so that would have been fine. And then I'll pull this all the way down until it touches the face. We'll zoom in here with the scroll button. That looks pretty good. So go back to the front view. And let's go ahead and mirror that over to the other side. All right, I'll go ahead and save that. Load it into the project. Go ahead and overwrite the existing. And then let's look at it on a rendered sheet. Oh, it doesn't really show too much detail there, but we can zoom in. So now we can see our completed awning. Might be a little bit too low. One of the things we could do is actually, if I went to the south elevation, I could select it and I could just give it a little bit of an offset. So it's hosted to the floor. So let's go ahead and move it up, let's say, I don't know, 1 foot, and see what that does. That looks pretty good. So we'll leave it at that. So let's go ahead then and look at it on that sheet view again. And there it is up a little higher. Also notice we need to complete our railings over here. You might want to take a moment and do that, and I'll do that too. And we'll come back with the next steps. So we need railings on both sides here because that's an eating area that we're going to have.